Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my January IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. This video is going to be super quick and not that great, honestly, because it was kind of a letdown of a bag. I have William with me here to film because he cannot be left alone right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this bag. Ow! Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into the bag. The first thing I have in here is from Billion Dollar Brows. It's a brow kit. I'm actually kind of excited for this because I just have one pair of tweezers and I lost them. And then it has scissors, which I also, thank you, I have a pair of scissors that I've had forever, so they're kind of crappy. And then it has the tweezers that I said, and this thingy, a spoolie and brush, which I'm actually really excited because I have one of these, but it's really it's like falling apart. So, and then I'll like put the total of how much these things are worth, because it's not like BoxyCharm where it comes with the pamphlet. You can look at it all online. But these three things and this thing first, and actually really like this. Next we have from Ofra Cosmetics, it's the highlighter, and this is actually really awesome. It's a Nikki Tutorials collab, and it's the highlighter and glow goals. I'm actually not going to keep this. I'm going to save it for a giveaway. I just decluttered some highlighters, so I don't really need to add another one to my collection, especially like a golden one. It's really pretty though, don't get me wrong, it's gorgeous. Next I got these two eyeshadow brushes from FIRMA Beauty. Just your typical blending, like crease brushes. I used this one today, so those are nice. Next we have this from Q. It's an eye gel contour or something. I'm not really into eye gels that much, so I figured I would just save this too, just because I'm not going to use it, so might as well give it to somebody who would want to use it, which would not be me. And then the last thing in this bag, like I said, this is like super quick, is from Item Beauty, which is Addison Rae's brand, and it is a Cheek Money Swipe and Glow bronzer contour duo. I actually do like this because these are my typical bronzer and contour shades. I got this bronzer on a fluffy brush and just put it on my forehead, my cheek, my chin, all those places, and then took the contour on a more dense brush and got my cheekbones, and it blended out really nice. Just be quiet for 1 minute, please. Okay. You want to shake your booty? Okay, come up here and shake your booty. And yeah. So I really like this. I'm excited to use it more. I'll do like a little bitty swatch, even though you probably won't be able to see them, or you might. There you go. Really like it. So that is all I have for this bag. Nummies, yeah. Sorry if it was super rushed and kind of short. And if it's nummy nums. My son was also kind of annoying. I do apologize. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you guys got in your bag, if it was a hit or a miss. Like I said, there were things in here that I didn't really like. Bye. But I always get my money's worth, so I will be continuing. Anyways, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Blow kiss. Big one. Say I love you, everyone. Bye.